Welcome back. I'm Tony Smith from Minted Yachts, and today we're going deep on the Horizon Power Catamaran PC. This boat keeps coming up in conversations with serious buyers, couples who want to cruise offshore, cover real distance, and live aboard in genuine comfort. After working through the specs and the design, I understand exactly why. Let's get into it. The PC52 measures 53 feet 2 inches overall, with a 22-foot beam and a shallow 4-foot 3-inch draft. That beam delivers the stability and volume power cat buyers expect, and that draft opens up anchorages that deep V boats can't touch. Power comes from twin Cummins QSB 6.7 diesels, 550 horsepower each, running on V drives. Top speed is 21 to 22 knots. Fast cruise lands around 18 to 19 knots. Slow down to displacement speeds 8 to 10 knots, and your range stretches dramatically. At 18.8 knots, you're looking at roughly 313 nautical miles. Back off the throttle, and this becomes a genuine long-range passage maker. Fuel capacity is 960 US gallons. Freshwater tanks hold 270 gallons. Half-load displacement comes in just above 60,400 pounds. A well-built boat with weight distributed properly across both hulls. The 3-stateroom 2-head layout is one of the cleaner floor plans in this class. The entire starboard hull is dedicated to the owner's suite. A full-length master with a private ensuite head. No compromises, no mid-berth. Port hull carries a VIP stateroom forward and a guest cabin aft, sharing the second head. The main deck salon is wide and light-filled with a galley that opens aft toward the cockpit. Up top, the flybridge helm gives you full open water visibility and a genuine offshore pilot house feel. Not just a platform with a steering wheel bolted on. Horizon builds the PC52 to CEA Offshore certification, the highest classification in European standards. That tells you everything about how seriously this boat is engineered. Stack it against the Leopard 53 PC, the Aquila 54, or the Serenity 52. The PC52 delivers more engine, better build quality, and genuine blue water capability at every level. This is not a marina cat dressed up for coastal day trips. If you're shopping a serious blue water power cat in the 50-foot range, the Horizon PC deserves a hard look. The full builder's specs are linked in the description. Hit subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see in our next review.